In the grand tapestry of the Mahabharata, much is spoken of Yudhishthira's wisdom, Bhim's strength, and Arjuna's valor. But the stories of the youngest Pandavas, Sahadev and Nakul, often remain untold. Let's journey into the lesser known tales of these remarkable twins. Sahadev, the youngest of the Pandavas, was blessed with the knowledge of all that was to come. As a boy, he had the wisdom of sages, a gift granted by the gods. Yet, bound by a divine curse, he could not reveal what he knew, lest disaster befall his family. One of the most intriguing stories of Sahadev is his encounter with Krishna. Before the Kurukshetra war, Krishna sought his advice on the best way to win. Despite knowing the truth, Sahadev, bound by duty and silence, gave a neutral answer. His foresight and restraint became his greatest burdens and strengths. Nakul, the fourth Pandava, was not just the most handsome, but also the most compassionate. His love for animals, especially horses, was unparalleled. His skills in horse rearing and veterinary care were renowned, and it is said that he could communicate with them as if they understood his every word. Nakul's role in the Mahabharata extended beyond the battlefield. During their exile, Nakul's equestrian skills helped the Pandavas cross treacherous terrains and keep their horses fit for battle. In the Kurukshetra war, he led a division with unmatched valor, his swordplay a testament to his skill. Though often in the shadows of their more illustrious brothers, Sahadev and Nakul shared a deep bond. They were protectors, strategists, and healers. Sahadev's keen intellect and Nakul's charm and skills complemented each other, making them an indomitable duo. During the war, Nakul's expertise was witnessed in his encounter with Shakuni. His sharp swordplay and strategic mind helped thwart many of Shakuni's devious plans. Sahadev, on the other hand, was pivotal in leading the southern divisions, showcasing his leadership and combat skills. After the war, Sahadev took on the role of a wise counselor, guiding the next generation with the wisdom he had silently borne for so long. His role in the rebuilding of the kingdom was as critical as his presence on the battlefield. Sahadev and Nakul were more than just warriors. They were embodiments of wisdom, beauty, and devotion. Their contributions remind us that strength lies not just in the roar of battle, but in the silent moments of courage and compassion.